Okay, today is the official start of the monsoon season here in Thailand, 10th of May. And you can tell, honestly, I'm seeing clear blue skies now for about 5 days, and I won't. And the humidity levels is through the roof. But like I promised when I said to you, the Raptor isn't going to be the same. It's not, I'll show you. And there we have it, the Raptor Overlander. How cool does that look? That is set up for some serious adventures now, people. It really is. This is the first time I've had it out from the shop. And it's had a few little components done to the rear suspension and so on. And you can tell how good's that, eh? Woohoo! Gonna have some fun in this bad boy. So first thing I had to do was install the Hammer Gladiator roof rack, and this supports obviously the tent and the awning and so on, but all these plates, all these lights, all these compartments, they're all add-ons that cost a little bit more, but once they're in, and look at that, that's deep enough. That, honestly, I've got my hammock in there, I've got ropes, I've got bungees, I've got knives, I've got tent pegs, and did you notice that? I don't even lock it. Yeah, and on the back of that it's me fresh water. But that's the first thing I had to install, obviously, to support the tent. But not only that, look at all the little add-ons you can put inside. Yeah, they're my tracks. And they're just going to this subframe perfect. Brilliant little bit of kit. Rear brake light, reverse light. Just go around this side here. This is my pot water. So this feeds the shower. And the hose inside here, this compartment, let me have a look. Yeah, so what we got in here, all the solar bits and bobs. We've got the pump, the hose, the shower head, and yeah, that feeds into that, into the pump, into the little socket here, 12-volt socket, and you've got shower, you've got water. Along the side of the pot water is Navigator Camper's very own shower cubicle. So that's on a spring-load square aluminium frame. You open that up, that pops out, drops to the floor, you put 2 legs in it, and that's it, yeah, your shower cubicle's done. I'm going to do the roof tent last. That's my favourite, that. But this awning here, this is called a Fox 270 wraparound. Basically wraps around half the vehicle. It's huge, but yeah, Navigator Camper said to me, the size of your truck, you may as well get one of these, and they're absolutely bomb-proof. When it's all set up, you'll see yourself. It's got a little solar system in. Like the majority of things over here in Southeast Asia, because they get loads of sun, most of it's solar powered. I'll just switch them lights off a minute. Yeah, most of it's solar powered, and make the most of it. You're getting the sun 24/7. Yeah, add them on. So this thing here, it's got solar lights in. 5 legs, 5 tie down points for when you get some bad weather. And like I say, I'll open all this up once the vehicle's fully done. I just want to show you today the add-ons. Last but not least is the rooftop tent. And there she is. 2 solar panels, equating to 150 watts. That runs the mechanics in here. All the hydraulic pistons and the little motors that are run by a power bank are all in here. So this little remote control here, this up and down and stop remote control, which you get 2 of on the Pathfinder 2, that's what they call it, the Pathfinder 2, the Wildland Pathfinder 2. It takes honestly 2 minutes to operate. When you've undone these little straps, there's 8 of them, 2 each corner, each side. 2 minutes, boom, and the tent's up. To put it down, maybe 3 minutes, because you got to do a little tiny bit of tucking in. Some bungees inside the tent when it opens and when it closes, that keeps all the sides pulled in. You're going to see all that in a bit. But what a great little system. Honestly, I've never put a tent up that fast in my life. And by the time you get the awning out and that, I had a little go yesterday, just a little pre-trial, and the whole setup I had done in 10 minutes. Seriously, 10 minutes. And that was my first attempt, so it's only going to get quicker. But yeah, swear swear down by this. This maker here, I think it's Australian. But go on their website, check some of the tents out, the hard shells. They do things like Wildland, Rock Cruiser, Desert Cruiser, some shit hot tents, honestly, there is. I need to get a fridge freezer, I need to get a solar power system to power all my goodies, drone and GoPros and that. And until we get them, we're not going anywhere. Plus, this is like I say, it's only 99.9% done. We're still waiting for hoses for the underneath, and there's another tank underneath going in, believe it or not, and 2 rear springs. I will tell you all about them rear springs later, but anyone who's got a Raptor probably know about the rear springs. I'm jumping up here because I'm getting bit to death by ants. Yeah, there's millions of ants here. So what made me go to the Overland side? I'll tell you basically. We were happy doing what we were doing in this, going from village to jungle to the coastline with ease. And sometimes, especially on the beach front, we could have done with setting up shop. It was late at night at one point. The sun was just going down. It was fantastic scenery. The ambience was good. And I just said I'd love to have the equipment on me now to stay here. And that, on top of certain videos I've been watching back home in the UK, when all the boys are out and they're doing their overland stuff and they're staying there for a couple of nights. Especially big shout out to North East Bushcraft and you, John. I know you'll be watching this. Yeah, it tugged at a few little heartstrings, and I thought, I need to get into this. And this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So the shop that I use, like I say, Navigator Camper in Bangkok, they couldn't help me enough. They were brilliant. Ness, honestly, the quality of equipment that I've put on here that you can't really get in Thailand. You've got to order from other countries to get that quality. They had majority of it in stock, and they've installed it because they've been doing this for years. And not only, forget about the installation side of it, I've met some good friends, and the group that they've got, the Overland group, they go from north to south, east and west of Thailand, and they know all the good spots. And them guys have said to me, look, once this is done, which is 99% done, there's a few hoses and a few little reservoirs to add to it and so on, then it'll be done. They've said to me, once that's done, give them a shout and we'll all go together. And they will show me some really good stuff, I know they will, because they know Thailand like the back of the hand done. And in the next episode, when I've got all the kit and everything's more or less 100% done, we'll go out and we'll do a couple of nights camp somewhere, and we'll get the feel of it, see what it's like. Because like I say, it is monsoon season and it is so hot, and humidity levels are mad until the next one. And the next one will be a camping one by the time we get everything into this here, like power stations and fridge freezers and so on. Yeah, can't wait. Hey people, watch this video and peace out.